Hello, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Welcome to Clapping. How are you, Nilima?
Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm very fine, ma'am. I'm nice
Okay,
today. Yes.
nice, good. You look better. You look beautiful today. Nice earrings.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
I know, ma'am. You love also long earrings, right, ma'am?
Yes, yes. I also love long earrings, but wearing all this sometimes it pains. So today I didn't wear anything.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So any doubts, any clarifications before I begin today's session?
No, ma'am. No doubt is here. Yes, but
Okay.
I would like to share something, ma'am. Actually,
Good. Yeah.
earlier when I was going through session material, that time there was today also there is session material. But earlier whenever I was attending class, I was going through session material. But you are asking me spontaneously anything, so it is very challenging for me because
Okay.
whenever session material was there, so I had time to prepare that thing. So I prepared. I read something about related with that particular topic. But I also discussed with my husband when I'm going to attend mom's class. I don't know what mom will ask me, so I don't have to prepare anything. It is spontaneous thing, right, mom? It is spontaneous class.
Yeah, it's spontaneous. So what you could do is you can just go through the vocabulary part.
Okay.
And what I usually do is I don't use the prompts. There is something known as the prompts or driving questions. I don't use those questions from the clapping go.
Okay.
Why I do that is because most of the people tell me I find it difficult to face strangers. I'm not able to speak in English when I
Right.
talk to strangers, especially.
Right.
So
Right.
when you go for a conversation, it is spontaneous and you don't know what the person is going to ask you.
Exactly.
So this is
Exactly.
why I'm having these kind of activities where you get questions spontaneously and want to see how you deal with it.
Right.
Even
Right.
if you don't know the answer, how you deal, I will train you how to do that. Okay.
Right,
So
ma'am.
what
Right.
you can do is you can go through the session, especially the vocabulary, because I take the vocabulary part. Just
Right.
be familiar with the meaning so that you can answer it better.
Right.
So
Right,
next
ma'am.
time when I'm showing you the word, you can just see, okay, this is the word. I know the meaning, and you just go on. Is
Okay.
what is your topic for today, if I may know? Is it relocating? Is it the
Uh,
same thing?
ma'am, actually, I didn't see because
Okay,
did you
because
mention
I got. Did
earlier?
we discuss on helping a friend move last time?
Yes, we discussed on that topic.
It's
Yes.
the same thing. Today I got the same document, so I had a doubt. I have kept the slip, but still we discussed already.
Oh, no, ma'am, but I love your method, spontaneous. Yes,
Okay,
I love
okay,
your
okay.
method. Yes.
So today we will do a very simple activity, nothing difficult. Okay, I'm just going to give you simple words, and we are going to focus on tense and preposition alone. Okay,
Sorry, ma'am.
that's okay. We are going to
Sorry,
focus
ma'am.
on tense and preposition alone today with this
Okay.
activity. Okay, so the first question is, just look at this. I have used this on other learners. Imagine that this is the world.
Okay.
Okay, this is the world. You can see plants, berries, fruits, and all that.
Mm-hmm.
Choose two colors from here.
Two colors. Okay, one
Two
is
colors,
green and another is red.
green and red. Everybody chooses green and red. I don't know why. Most of you,
Because
green and red. The
these are
color. Okay.
yes, what these are dark color.
Yes, yes, green
Dark
and red. Okay. What you should do is think of two instances from your life where you can relate it with these colors. For example, if you're choosing one particular instance from your life where you
color.
passed an examination and you give
Okay.
it green, you color it green. Suppose you
Right.
were in danger, you were crossing the road, you felt as if something is going to hit you, that is red color. Like that, choose two instances from your life where you can paint green and red
Okay.
because you chose both the colors. Yeah.
Right, right, ma'am.
You can take some time to think and tell me when you're ready.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. No, I know about green color, ma'am, but I'm thinking about red color.
Red
But
red stands for affection, danger, aggression,
yes,
such kind of things. Yeah.
okay, okay, right, right, ma'am. Yes, aggressive
Attraction.
attraction, right, right. Yes, I can say. Yes, now I remember. Yes,
Okay.
first of all, I would like to share about green color.
Okay.
Yes, about green color means some positivity. Green color belongs to positivity or related with nature. So yes, in my life, I did some things, okay, which are, I think, good things. So I would like to share that thing. When I was kid, that time I think I was in ninth or tenth standard. Okay, there in our colony there was one old lady, okay, senior citizen, and she was helpless. She didn't have any kid. She was helpless. So I had helped her a lot at that time when I was in 10th standard. I was in
Mm-hmm.
10th standard. I helped her a lot because, ma'am, in our village there was not a facility. Water supply was not that much good. Okay, it was not coming properly. So that's why that old lady also felt bad for that thing, and she was very old, so she was not able to gather or collect water from anywhere from the boring. Do you know, ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
that boring
Yes,
from.
yes, I know. Yeah.
Yes. So when I was in 10th standard, I was helping her every day. Every day,
Okay.
I helped her to bring water for her, for one bucket or sometime two buckets. So I was helping her. This incident related with green color. Yes, and
Okay.
another also. I'm not remembering in which standard I was, but I celebrated my birthday in orphanage. In orphanage, I distributed
Okay.
chocolates. Yes, I distributed chocolates, and suddenly I didn't plan about this, but that day I think I was in 10th standard. I don't know. I think 10th or 11th, but I didn't remember particular or more than ninth also. But I'm not remembering
That's
particularly
okay. Okay.
which was the year. But I yes, ma'am. That day was my birthday, and I decided to distribute chocolates
Mm-hmm.
to children, with
Mm-hmm.
children. So I went with my I went there with some of my friends. I
Mm-hmm.
went there and I distributed chocolate, and that day I felt very nice, very green from internally. Because I did that good thing. Suddenly, that thought came in my mind, and I completed that thing. So I was feeling happy for that thing, and my friends were also happy for me, and they also decided next time whenever their birthday will come, they will do same like this thing. So that was a
Okay.
green part of my life, or a green situation related with my life, I can say. And about red, but red is related with danger now, but
Yes,
I'm
yes.
not connecting with the danger thing. But
No
I can,
problem.
yes, yes, I can connect with affection. You told me affection, attraction.
Yes, yes. Affection. Affection, attraction. Correct. Yeah.
Attraction, yes, yes.
Yeah.
So, yes, ma'am. When my husband came to see me, because our marriage is arranged marriage, so I love him. When I saw him first time, I love him. I like him. Love him is not that way. Love him means I like him. Okay, and
You
so
liked him. As
I
soon as you saw him, you liked the person.
yes,
Okay.
I like
Okay.
this.
Okay.
I like him. So I
Mm.
felt yes, red at that time. Yes, I can say.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
So you had that shy, or you can say you felt when you feel affection, you also go red. You
yes,
also go red. It's not love in that sense, but still, when you like a person, you have heart full of love or liking. It is very
yes,
difficult for you to like a person, and that way, in the first sight, it's difficult.
yes.
You liked
Actually,
the person when you saw. Yeah.
actually, see,
Okay.
because that was our first meeting, I didn't know about him that much things.
Hmm.
But whatever people told me, okay, whatever our relative told me about him, he's very hardworking and he's a good nature of good kind of person. He's kind person. So that's why I started as a human being, okay, not like a love affair
Okay.
or that person, but
Okay.
as
Yes.
a
Yes.
person, I love him. Yes, as a person,
Okay.
he's a
That's great. That's great.
good kind of nature
Okay.
person. So that's why, yes, at that time. So
Okay.
this is
Great.
red,
Okay.
right one? Is it
So
correct?
this could be, yeah, yeah, this could be connected with red, and this is the red phase. Very important part of your life you have chosen. I'm very
Yes,
pleased with both, whatever you have selected. You have given me three instances actually, two for green
yes,
and one for red. Excellent. Very well said. So I'll just correct you in two, three places. Starting with red, I already corrected you. It's not I like him, I liked him. As soon
I
as I
like
saw him, I liked him because there is past tense. It
right.
got
Yes,
over. The next thing is You try to correct this. You told me I didn't remember in particular. What is wrong there? I didn't remember in particular in which grade I was.
In
How do you
which
correct?
yes,
I don't remember.
I don't
I
remember.
don't.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
it's not. I
Yes.
didn't remember. I didn't is you're talking about something that happened. This also happened, but still,
Yes.
now you don't
Right now
remember.
I'm not remembering. Yes, yes,
Yeah,
right.
so I don't, or I do not remember. Then,
Yes, yes.
I distributed sweets with
Okay.
children or to children, which is correct.
Two children.
To the children,
Three
yes. You said with children.
children.
You had a confusion there, so it's to the children. You're distributing something to somebody.
Yes,
Okay?
yes, yes.
All right, so now we'll go to the activity. The
Okay.
first word is
Confusion.
confusion. You
Yes.
can change the form of the word. Like this is noun, you can change it to confused, confuse, confusing, or confusion itself. You can use anything. Only thing is the root word is this, or confuse. Confuse is the root word. Now
Fusion.
you have to make a sentence using this
Okay.
particular word in any form. Use future tense. So make a sentence with this word in the future tense.
Future tense. Okay,
Yes.
related to future tense.
Yes.
Confusion. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Uh, can I make two, three sentences? Then after, can I move toward future tense sentence?
Yeah, that's also fine. That's also fine. Or if you get a simple sentence, that is also fine.
Okay. Okay.
Okay?
Actually, ma'am,
Yeah.
earlier I decided my daughter will become a athletic or gymnastic player. Okay, I
Okay.
decided this thing. Okay,
Okay.
become a gymnastic player. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
but in future I will be in confusion. Okay, what
Okay.
she will choose, which field she will
Okay.
choose. Yes, I will be in confusion.
Okay, correct. Okay, so first you said, um, my daughter will be become. So don't use be. My
Okay.
daughter will become a gymnast player or an athlete, but in future I think I'll be in confusion on what she's going to choose.
Yes.
Correct. Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
So that was correct. But next time when you make the sentence, try not to repeat it. Try to do it at a stretch. Okay.
Okay.
So what you should practice is try, as I told you in the last session, try to focus and sequence the thought.
Okay.
Take some time. Take it very slow. No problem. Okay.
Okay.
Good.
Yes.
Now coming to the next one. Yeah. The next word is
6.
number 6. Okay.
Okay.
Now you have to
Numbers.
make a sentence in the past tense. You
Past
just
tense.
have to have the word 6.
Okay. I had in 6th standard. No,
Once
I
again,
was in 6th standard. I was in 6th standard.
Okay, so a few years back, I was in 6th
Yes.
standard. So complete sentence, complete thought.
Complete thought.
Okay?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
I was in 6th standard. Good.
Yes.
Then the next one.
Television.
Television. Present tense. Television.
Present tense.
Yes. Present tense.
Yes. Present tense, right, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes. I don't suggest my students to watch television.
Very good. I don't suggest my students to watch television. Correct. Very good. Okay?
Yes. Option.
You choose a tense. Which tense do you want? Option.
Okay.
Because it is option, I'm giving you the option.
Okay. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Past tense.
Past tense, option. Okay, go on.
Okay. Yes, I had lots of options, but I choose one. This is English language.
Very good.
Yes.
Excellent. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Perfection.
Perfection. Let's
Perfect.
take future tense.
Yes.
Future tense.
Yes, definitely, ma'am. After some months or after some time, I will be perfect in English language. I will
Very
be
good.
perfect in spoken English. Yes.
Very good. Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am. Mostly.
Mostly present tense.
Present tense. Okay.
Yes. Present tense.
Right, ma'am. Yeah. Right now. yes, I'm remembering mostly. Mostly people, mo mostly people waste their time on social media.
Very good. Excellent. The last one, I'm going to give the last one.
Okay. Focus.
Focus. Focus, past tense.
Past tense.
Past tense, focus.
Okay. Past tense focus. 5 years back, I didn't focus on English.
Yes, 5 years back, I did not focus in English. Okay, very good. Excellent. Okay, so in the beginning, the first two sentences, I saw that you were rushing, and because of that, there was repetition and there was a tendency to make mistakes with whatever you knew. You knew
Right.
certain things, but you made mistakes. But when you slowed down, that is when you had the focus, okay, and
Yes,
when
yes.
you had the sequencing of thoughts, not the words exactly, it
Yes.
got better. Did you see that? So this
Yes.
is the pace that you have to use whenever you speak. Like tomorrow, if you're going to face five, six people who are strangers,
Right.
they will look very different. You are seeing them for the first time. Maybe they will look very beautiful or very handsome. Don't
Right.
lose your focus. Focus on what you're trying to say. Like when you look at the person itself, sometimes you go out of focus. Maybe the person will stare at you like this, or the person will sit like this. Okay, it's okay, but you just focus on what you're telling. You look at the person, you have the eye contact, but you focus on what you're telling.
Right.
That is
Right.
what
Right.
we should practice on. Okay. Now,
Yes,
going
ma'am.
to the next activity, how do you feel after the activity?
Ma'am, it was like a game. I was enjoying very much. Actually, I
Okay.
wanted to say between this, but I didn't say. But it was like a game.
Okay.
I enjoyed a lot.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. So this particularly why I made you do this is because I could see that you were making mistakes with prepositions and tenses, so this was better. Now,
Yes,
the next part of this particular activity is, have you seen this? This is a correction marker or a correction pen, white color. Suppose you
white
make
color.
a mistake, you shake like this and you correct. Okay?
Yes, yes.
So
Yes.
now you have to introduce this product to me. I'm going to give you the features of this product.
Okay.
This is not actually, this is a correction pen.
Yes.
Imagine that it has got extra two features. What is it? Suppose you're
It's
making a spelling mistake.
yes.
Okay. Suppose you
Yes.
make a spelling mistake. If you just correct it as usual, if you just correct it by using the white color, and if you
Right.
shake it, the spelling will get corrected automatically.
Automatically. Oh wow.
Okay. Suppose you're writing option and you wrote it as OPTUN. You don't know the spelling of option.
Okay.
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 And you're not sure. You know that you made a mistake. You write
Yes.
something and you write it, you put that white color and do like this. The correct
Okay.
spelling comes on top. Automatically, it comes on top. So you should write something,
Okay.
apply this, and then you should shake like this. The correct
Okay.
spelling comes. So it is like
Correct.
extra one feature is there. Now you
Okay.
have to introduce this product to me. Okay.
Okay.
So you are the creator of this product. So you will
Okay.
tell me this is like a correction pen. It is handy. You can whatever comes to your mind, and you have created this, and you are trying to tell me that you should buy it for your children or for your students. Try to
Right.
introduce it in Clappingo also if you want. Okay. But just imagine that we two are outside this platform. Like you're coming to me. No, you're not a sales girl, but you're introducing this to me.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
that is the
Definitely.
task. Okay, let's get started. You can take 2 3 seconds and then tell me when you're ready.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Now I'm
Okay,
ready. Yes.
sure,
Like a
start.
selfie. Yes. Good evening, ma'am. I am
Good
Nilima.
evening.
And yes. And I have something new for you.
Okay,
Ma'am, would you like to meet with a person, like a person or a thing like your friend?
okay. Person or thing like my friend. Yes, what is it?
Okay.
Or
Yes,
who
ma'am.
is it? Okay.
Yes. Actually, ma'am, first of all, you tell me, okay, so what is the good qualities of your friend, or what is the quality of good friend?
Qualities of a good friend is friend should be helpful. The friend should listen to me.
Right,
The friend should correct me when I'm
correct,
wrong, and
right,
don't say that whatever you do is correct.
Right, ma'am. Correct,
Yeah.
ma'am. Actually,
Yeah.
yes, I have same like your friend. I have same thing like your friend. Okay. I have something which will be like your friend. Okay. Whenever
Oh,
you will make mistake, so that thing will be help you definitely. Whenever you will be
okay.
in some dilemma, or you will be in what wrong, you are making wrong thing, or you are writing something wrong. So that time this friend will definitely help you. So,
Okay.
so see, I want to show you something. This is the marker. This is the whitener, okay, and it is like
Okay.
same like your friend, okay, and
Mm-hmm.
it will help you if you are confused, okay. So, what is
Mm-hmm.
the spelling of this thing? So that time, it will help you like a friend, like a
Okay.
friend. Okay. So if you are writing spelling of your any relative or anything, okay, so you are in confusion what is the spelling of Oxford, okay, you are
Okay.
writing there OXOFORD, but that is the wrong
Mm-hmm.
spelling. So if you
Mm-hmm.
want to see is this correct or wrong, correct or right, so that time you need to apply this whitener, and then
Mm-hmm.
after you need to only shake it,
Okay.
okay,
Okay.
shake it. Then after you will see what will happen. Your spelling will automatically right. Okay, spelling will be OXFO.
Yes, yes, I can
Yes,
hear
yes,
you, but there is
and
a glitch.
it will help you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
and
Please repeat.
yes,
Please repeat once again. Just
so
last sentence alone. Yeah.
alone.
Last sentence alone because I think your screen got stuck.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, actually, I told you, ma'am. It
Mm.
is like your friend, okay. Whenever you will make mistakes, so definitely this will be with you, like your friend, okay, like your good friend, not only like your friend, like your good friend. It will
Mm-hmm.
whenever you will make mistake, definitely this friend will help you, okay. So if you are writing the spelling of Oxford, okay, and you are writing
Mm-hmm.
there OXFORAD. Okay, you wrote this,
Mm-hmm.
but this is the wrong spelling. But you don't know what is the correct and what is the wrong. So that time
Okay.
you need to apply this whitener on that word, and then after you need to only shake it like this. Then after you will see your spelling will different. Okay, if you made mistake, so definitely this friend will help you. Okay, so spelling
Oh,
will be
okay.
after that OXFORD. So it
Oh,
will be very
so it is
simple.
like a magic
Yes.
pen. That is what you're trying to tell me.
Yes, it is like a magic pen. Yes, definitely, ma'am.
Oh,
And you would
okay,
like
okay,
this thing. So,
okay.
do you love
What is
this?
the cost of this pen? It must be costly then. What is the cost of this pen?
Its cost is only 200 rupees, ma'am.
Only 200 rupees.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, only
okay.
200
I
rupees.
have got correction pen at home and I use it for my documents and for my documentation. But this has got
Okay.
an extra feature. So how do I buy it? From where do I get it?
Right now, you can buy from me, but
Okay.
whenever you need, this material is available on online also. So,
Oh,
right now,
okay.
you can buy from me, and then after, you can buy through online also.
So how do I search? Should I just put correction pen because there are ordinary correction pens? So how do I know which is the magic correction pen? What is the name of the company?
Okay, the name of the company is uh, what this is your magic pen,
Magic
yes,
correction
magic
pen.
pen,
Maybe I can
and
search like
in
that.
bracket there will be like your good friend, like
Oh,
your
okay,
good
okay,
friend,
okay,
yes.
okay, okay. Fine, fine, fine. Okay. Thank you so much for the introduction. I think I'll purchase one because I'm
Okay,
very bad in spelling, so I need somebody to correct me like a good friend.
definitely, ma'am, and it will
Okay.
definitely help you. It will definitely help
Okay.
you a lot. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Neelima. All right, so
Thank
let's come back to clapping go. You did the activity
uh,
very well. You were so confident when you introduced the product to me. Okay. So just very few mistakes, just three mistakes. One is you said it will be help you, but you didn't make the same mistake again. You said it will help you like a good friend. Okay. So
okay,
avoid using be in between. I could
okay,
see that even in the previous session, you used be in between. Okay. Then
okay, okay.
what are the qualities of a good friend? Not what is the qualities, what are the qualities of a good friend? You're asking me a question.
Yes, yes.
Then it will be different, not it will different. So sometimes you're missing out on the be, Sometimes you're putting it unnecessarily also. That is what is happening.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay.
So just focus, and some places, because you were like, I don't know what to tell now, you were rushing with the thoughts or you were getting excited. But sometimes you were very good, like especially second time when you narrated the whole thing, you were quite confident. So Nilima, only problem is sometimes you are confusing yourself. You feel I'm not confident, I'll make a mistake. No, you are not going to make a mistake. So just believe that. And when you believe like that, I can see a lot of difference. All right. So even if you're making a mistake, I'm here to correct you. So just go on. And you were so confident when you gave the activity. That's
Yes, ma'am.
excellent. Okay.
Yes,
So now, shall I give you a small task for the next session? Anytime you meet me.
yes, and
Anytime you meet.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, I would like to attend, and it was mind blowing. It was what can I say, ma'am? What?
Mind blowing? Did you mean mind blowing?
Yes, mind blowing and amazing activity. I didn't say anywhere, and I didn't
Expect.
expect. Yes, I didn't
Yeah.
expect. Okay, it will happen with me, and this type of class I can get through clapping also. I'm very happy. I meet with you.
Okay.
I meet with you. Yes, I'm
Yeah,
meeting
yeah.
with you. Yes, I'm very
Thank you
happy.
so much. These are small, small things that we come across in our life, and that is how we have to learn language, any language. Because
Right, ma'am.
most of us, what we do is we learn grammar rules or we read something that will not help. So, this way, you can try even at home with
Yes,
any object and make
yes,
it interesting like this. You will feel like doing it also. Okay.
yes,
So, I'll give you a
definitely.
small task. You can write on any topic for the next class. What topic will you choose?
Okay.
For example, if you can write on fashion, or if you can write on English language or
Okay.
accent, any topic you can choose and just write 2 paragraphs.
Two paragraphs. Okay.
You have to write your own opinion, your perception. You can give some advice or some tips also. So,
Okay.
suppose you're choosing the fashion of the 21st century, especially when it comes to India, focus on a particular area and you can write. Suppose you're
Okay.
writing about English language, what you're going to write? For example, accent, false accent, or
Okay.
good grammar, things like that. So, anything you can choose and write just 2 paragraphs and read it to me in the next class. That is your task.
Yes. Yes, definitely,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes.
So I'll bring more activities like this and we will have a discussion. I think the session is
Yes,
going to end.
yes, ma'am. I will be
Okay.
very happy, and right now also I'm very happy. I cannot express my feelings through words, ma'am. How
That's
happy I
okay.
am, and whatever, however, I'm learning through you, through from you, not through you, from you. So
Correct.
I'm very